Polar Regions by Sally St. John. Welcome to the polar regions. This cold, white habitat is just right for many animals. Polar regions. The Arctic is at the top of the world. Antarctica is at the bottom of the world. These two very cold places are called the polar regions. Fast fact: the polar regions are covered with ice and snow. Temperatures can reach negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Polar bear. This cold white habitat is just right for polar bears. Fast fact: polar bears live in the Arctic. Their favorite food is seals. Walrus. This cold white habitat is just right for walruses. Fast fact: walruses live in the Arctic. Some weigh as much as a car. Arctic fox. This cold white habitat is just right for Arctic foxes. Fast fact: these foxes live in the Arctic. Their thick fur helps keep them warm. Reindeer. This cold white habitat is just right for reindeer. Fast fact: reindeer live in the Arctic. They travel in herds. Ermine. This cold white habitat is just right for ermines. Fast fact: ermines live in the Arctic. They are a kind of weasel. Snowy owl. This cold white habitat is just right for snowy owls. Fast fact: snowy owls live in the Arctic. They have great eyesight and hearing. Leopard seal. This cold white habitat is just right for leopard seals. Fast fact: leopard seals live in the Antarctica. A layer of fat called blubber helps them survive the cold. Blue whale. This cold white habitat is just right for blue whales. Fast fact: blue whales migrate to Antarctica in the summer. One whale weighs as much as 30 elephants. Emperor penguin. This cold white habitat is just right for emperor penguins. Fast fact: emperor penguins live in Antarctica. They can slide on their bellies. And their babies too. This is the emperor penguin chick. He says, "I love my home." All about polar regions. The polar regions include two parts of the Earth, the very top and the very bottom. Both places are super cold. The top of the Earth is called the Arctic, and the bottom is called Antarctica. Parts of many countries, such as Finland, Canada, and Russia, are in the Arctic. Animals that make their home in this harsh environment must adapt to the extreme conditions to survive. The fur of some Arctic animals, such as foxes, turns white during the long winter. This makes it hard for predators to see them. Other animals, such as reindeer, migrate long distances in search of food. The Arctic may be cold, but Antarctica is colder. Antarctica is the chilliest continent. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth, negative 129 degrees Fahrenheit, was recorded in Antarctica. But even here, animals can be found. In fact, many penguins and seals live in the frigid ocean off the coast of Antarctica. It is also the home to blue whales, the largest animals on the planet. Blue whales feed on some of the world's smallest creatures, microscopic plankton.